In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Justice Court traffic tickets online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Judiciary e-payment website. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the information on screen so you know you're in the right place before continuing. Next, you'll see the Supreme Court of the Philippines Data Privacy Notice for JEPS users. This section explains how your information is handled while using the payment system. It's important to read through this notice carefully so you understand the terms before moving forward. After reading the privacy notice, look for the checkbox confirming that you understand and accept the data privacy notice. Check that box to indicate your consent. Once that's done, click the Accept button to proceed into the system. On the next page, you'll see an option related to the assessment and payment of legal fees and other court collections. This is the section used for filing related payments and similar court services, and it's where you'll continue for this process. From there, click Go to Assessment Calculator. When the assessment calculator opens, you'll be asked to choose a service type. Select the option that applies to your traffic ticket payment, then choose the correct payer type. These selections help the system identify the kind of transaction you're making, so be sure to choose carefully based on your situation. Once both fields are completed, click Next. You'll now move to the court information section. Start by selecting the court level. After that, choose the court type. Then select the court station or office that matches the details for your traffic ticket or the court handling your case. This part is especially important because selecting the wrong court may lead to delays or incorrect processing. If you have a copy of your citation or court notice, it's a good idea to keep it nearby while completing this section. After entering the court details, click Next again. From here, simply follow the next prompts on the screen until you reach the payment process. The system will guide you through the remaining details needed to complete your transaction. Take your time, review each entry before submitting, and make sure all information is accurate. That can help prevent issues later on. Once you complete the payment steps, be sure to save or download any confirmation page or receipt provided by the system. Keeping a copy for your records is always a smart idea in case you need proof of payment later. And that's how to pay Justice Court traffic tickets online.